Hey there, gentlemen. Quick question. How many glasses of plain water have you already had today? Be honest. Go ahead, count in your head. Now, maybe you're thinking, Dr. Alan Mandell, I drink plenty, I stay hydrated. That's great, really it is. But here's the truth. If you're over 50, drinking plain water may be one of the most overrated habits in your entire health routine. I'm serious. Water keeps you alive, but it might not be keeping you vital. Let me explain. As we age, our bodies change in ways most men don't realize. Hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about what actually reaches your cells, energizes your muscles, and keeps blood flowing freely to every tissue. Yes, even the ones most important for performance, stamina, and vitality. Plain water alone often fails because your aging cells, arteries, and hormones are starving for minerals. These minerals act like your body's spark plugs. Without them, even a full tank of water can't ignite your energy, circulation, or focus. Picture this. You've got a luxury sports car sitting in your garage. The tank is full, but the spark plugs are missing. You turn the key and nothing happens. That's what it's like drinking plain water after 50. You may be hydrated on paper, but deep inside, your cells are still parched, your arteries stiff, and your energy flat. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to add to your water to transform it from ordinary hydration into a blood flow boosting, energy reviving, performance enhancing powerhouse. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. But before we dive in, I need you to do three things. Tap that like button if you're ready to reclaim your vitality. Subscribe so you never miss practical science-backed strategies for men over 50, and comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love hearing from men all over the world committed to taking control of their health. All right, now let's get into the hard truth most men over 50 don't hear. Here's the thing. As you age, your body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients, especially minerals, drops dramatically. Your kidneys aren't filtering as efficiently. Digestion slows. Even your natural thirst signals dull. You might think you're drinking enough, but your cells are quietly running on empty. When your cells aren't hydrated at a deep cellular level, your blood vessels stiffen. Energy plummets and circulation struggles, particularly in areas that support stamina, performance, and hormone delivery. That's why you can drink glass after glass of water and still feel lethargic, unfocused, or underperforming. I'm Dr. Narita, a urologist with 12 years of experience helping men naturally restore confidence, circulation, and hormonal balance. Over the years, I've seen the same pattern thousands of times. Men over 50 come to me saying, Doc, I drink my water, I eat clean, I exercise, but I still feel off. My energy is low, my circulation feels weak, and my performance has declined. 9 times out of 10, the issue isn't quantity, it's quality. What's missing from that water are the minerals your body desperately needs. Think of minerals as your body's electric wiring. Without them, cells misfire, muscles stay tense, and arteries can't relax. Water is your fuel, but minerals are the ignition system. Without them, even the best hydration can't spark energy, focus, or blood flow. So, today I want to introduce you to 4 essential minerals that can transform your ordinary water into a functional, energy-boosting, circulation-enhancing drink. Each one plays a critical role in your biology, your emotional resilience, and your daily performance. Mineral number 1, magnesium, the relaxation mineral. If there's one mineral every man over 50 needs to understand, it's magnesium. It participates in over 300 biochemical processes, but its most crucial function is relaxing your blood vessels. Here's what happens without it. Calcium dominates your arteries, causing them to constrict. Blood flow slows, muscles stay tense, energy drops. Even the tissues responsible for stamina and performance feel the impact. Biologically, magnesium works like a natural calcium channel blocker. It tells your arteries to relax, open, and let blood flow. Emotionally, it helps you feel calm, focused, and in control. Practically, mornings feel smoother, energy lasts longer, and circulation improves. The tip is to add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate to your morning water. It dissolves quickly, tastes mild, and absorbs fast. Do this consistently for 3 weeks, and you'll start noticing real changes. Energy returning, circulation improving, and mornings becoming less sluggish. Mineral number 2, sodium, the hydration gatekeeper. Before you panic, I'm not talking about processed table salt. I mean high-quality, unrefined salt like pink Himalayan or natural sea salt. Sodium often gets a bad rap, but in its natural form, it's vital. It's the gatekeeper that allows water to enter your cells. Without it, hydration remains superficial, passing right through you. That's why drinking liters of water can still leave you feeling exhausted or dehydrated. Sodium supports your nerve signaling, helps maintain your muscles' electrical charge, and stabilizes hydration at a cellular level. Emotionally, it provides subtle reassurance that your body can hold on to strength and energy. Practically, it prevents mid-morning crashes, headaches, and that drained feeling you thought was unavoidable after 50. The tip is to add a tiny pinch, literally the tip of your pinky, of Himalayan or sea salt to your morning water. That small step turns ordinary water into a cell-penetrating electrolyte drink. Mineral number 3, potassium, the balancer. Potassium works hand in hand with sodium. Together, they maintain the electrical gradient across your cell membranes, a crucial factor for heart rhythm, nerve firing, and muscle responsiveness. Without enough potassium, arteries remain tense, blood pressure rises, and energy dips. Restoring potassium keeps your arteries flexible and supports optimal vascular function. The tip is to add half a scoop of a potassium-rich electrolyte powder, low sugar and high minerals to your water once daily, ideally after exercise or in the evening. Emotionally, it provides balance and calm. Practically, it keeps energy steady and prevents the wired but tired feeling caused by excess caffeine or sodium. Mineral number 4, zinc, the testosterone guardian. Zinc is the silent commander of your hormone system. It regulates testosterone, boosts immune function, and influences stamina, focus, and mood. Even small deficiencies can reduce testosterone, leaving you mentally foggy, lethargic, and less motivated. Absorption declines with age, and tablets often don't work. That's why I recommend liquid zinc drops, just a few in your water each day. Emotionally, it restores confidence and resilience. Practically, it strengthens your prostate, supports immunity, and keeps hormones in balance. Adding zinc transforms hydration from just water into hormone-ready, circulation-enhancing fuel. Here's the simple 3-step plan I recommend to all my patients over 50. The morning blood flow kickstart. Take a large glass of water, add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate and a pinch of Himalayan salt, then sip slowly with deep breaths. The effect is that it opens blood vessels, relaxes muscles, and primes energy, the midday hormone and immune support. Add a few drops of liquid zinc to water around lunch. The effect is that it stabilizes testosterone, supports immunity, and maintains afternoon energy. The evening circulation rebalance. Add half a scoop of potassium-rich electrolyte powder after dinner or exercise. The effect is that it restores mineral balance, calms the cardiovascular system, and prepares the body for rest. All 3 steps take less than 5 minutes, yet over 21 days, they transform circulation, energy, focus, and hormonal function. Let's get real. Slower mornings, weaker circulation, fatigue. It's easy to feel like your body is betraying you. You may think maybe this is just age catching up. But here's the truth. Your body isn't failing. It's sending feedback, signaling that it needs better communication. Minerals are the language your cells and blood vessels understand. Proper hydration isn't just water. It's functional electrical hydration. When you follow this routine, the changes aren't just physical. Mental clarity sharpens, sleep improves, mood stabilizes. Confidence quietly returns. You wake up feeling capable, energized, and alive again. Gentlemen, your body past 50 is extraordinary. It can regenerate, adapt, and thrive when given the right tools. Don't let plain water be a missed opportunity. Turn hydration into a daily ritual of strength, balance, and control. Start small. Magnesium in the morning, zinc midday, potassium at night. Stick with it for 21 days. Watch circulation improve, energy surge, and focus sharpen. Remember, you're not aging out, you're leveling up. If this video helped you, like it, share it with a brother, and subscribe for more science-backed strategies for men over 50. Comment below which mineral are you adding to your water today. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay hydrated, stay strong, and remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waking up right